Same freaking thing.
So we've seen a number of things here that's going to be plays on pieces of large modernist works.
Yeah.
And the one that we just saw, my guest here thought looked
Andy
perhaps
Warhol.
like Andy Warhol.
I think it was Andy Warhol, actually.
It actually was not Andy Warhol. I saw that piece earlier.
Are you sure?
It was
Because
the same thing.
zombies do exist, and I think that
Zombies
Andy Warhol came back
Came back from the dead
to create
to
James
invade
Dean
Art by 2012.
because he forgot James.
He did a lot of Marylands. He did,
did a lot of
lots
Marylands.
of accidents, car
forgot
crashes.
Dean.
But he forgot Dean.
He forgot Dean. So he
think
came
so?
back. He came back to do this one here. But since he's a zombie, he didn't have the mind or the ability to create 3 separate pieces. So he just did them all on one canvas.
That's nice. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's 3 James Deans there.
There's 3 James Deans there, which like Maryland. There's a bunch of Marylands.
Right. So the multiplicity of the image naturally takes away the meaning of each singular one.
Exactly.
We can get in a whole rhetorical debate here. But Andy Warhol present at Art by 2012 is the takeaway.
Yeah.
But in zombie form.
Zombie.